I head up the print division for a creative agency in Sydney. I've been married now for 17 years to my wife Nikki, and we have 2 children. When we were looking in the open homes, we were walking around a few times and we sort of thought, this house is us, we love it. But if we wanted to buy it, the front door had to be changed, and the rear sliding doors at the back of the home, they were on their last legs as well. So we thought, if we move in and buy this house, we want to just modernize it straight away. Obviously online we started looking through all the variations of the doors, and then when we went in store, it was actually good because it was more of the touch and feel experience. So as well as just swiping down and having a look, we could actually go in store, open up the doors. So no, it was actually really good. It was really good. The guys at Castle Hill, they were a top team. Really came through with the goods. Everybody comments on our bifolds. As soon as they walk into our home, because it's very open plan, as soon as you sort of walk in and the doors are open, you're sort of stepping automatically straight outside. So yeah, no, we love it and the whole family loves it, yeah. The installs were just flawless. Everything installed in the one day, fits like a glove, and the kitchen servery and the bifold doors, again, like no fault at all. So when I got home that night, I was blown away. So Andrew, actually, the carpenter with Doors Plus, I take my hat off to him. Did an amazing job. We love barbecues, we love entertaining, and to be able to now be in the kitchen and just hand food outside at a bar area. But what we liked the most, to be honest, was with Doors Plus you could get everything in the one roof.